Do number 4, extend your answers. There is no set amount of words or sentences that you should use in part 1, but they shouldn't be too short because you want to show the examiner that you can actually use English. For example, I'm a student, and that's not really long enough. So please try to extend your answers as much as possible. However, they should not be too long either, because part 1 is on familiar topics like family, your work, hobbies, and etc. And you don't normally talk for 2 minutes when someone asks you where you're from. Also, you still will have a lot of opportunities to give longer answers for parts 2 and 3. So just remember, it shouldn't be too short, but it shouldn't be too long also in that case. And another thing is, as a general rule, if you're going to give a single sentence answer with a single clause like I'm from the Philippines, so then your answer would be too short. So I also don't think part 1 answers should ever have more than 3 sentences. So somewhere in between would just be right. All right, moving on. Let us have do number 5, practice. So it is a very bad idea to prepare memorized answers. So before you're going to have your speaking test, you have to be able to practice, but not really memorize your answers. So part 1 is very predictable. You should practice the familiar topics mentioned in number 1. And then try recording yourself and then listen back and think about the following. So these are some of the things that you should be thinking about. So first, could you improve the vocabulary? Did you make any grammar mistakes that could be fixed? Did you speak fluently, or did you speak at a natural speed? How was your intonation? Did you extend your answer enough? Did you speak clearly? So if you can do this, so you have to just really try again and keep practicing until you are really confident about talking about the most common topics. So for our next video, we're going to talk about the Jones for the IELTS speaking test. So see you soon.